The art gallery hosts two works by the great Venetian artist Titian Vecellio, the Gozzi Altarpiece and the Crucifixion, with an installation that compares the early style of the Venetian painter with his later style, which became gloomy and with a less defined edges in his works. The Gozzi Altarpiece is the first ever dated work by the great master. In fact, the year 1520 can be read from the cartouche at the bottom center of the table. The work was commissioned by decoration merchant Luigi Gozzi for the Church of San Francesco ad Alto. He is portrayed in the foreground on the right, kneeling and presented to the Virgin by Saint Biagio, patron saint of the client's hometown, Dubrovnik. The Holy Bishop directs the merchants and our gaze towards the celestial vision, where we find the Virgin and the Child surrounded by angels in celebration. On the bottom left, we can see St. Francis. The twilight brightness and the depiction of the fig tree, a symbolic reference to redemption, underline the sense of religiosity. But at the same time, with his work, Titian overcomes the contemplative attitude to focus on the human variable, with its feelings and imperfections. In the background, we can notice the well-known view of the Venetian lagoon with St. Marco's bell tower, an expedient used by the painter to recall the profitable commercial links between Venice, Dubrovnik and Ancona. On the back of the table, however, it is possible to admire some charcoal sketches partly traced by Titian himself. The Crucifixion is one of the works that mark a turning point in the artist's style, which turns towards a disintegration of pictorial forms and towards a broader exploration of tragedy and human suffering. On the canvas, the crucifix with the Virgin Mary and Saint John the Evangelist, who are depicted standing on both sides of the cross, while at the bottom we can see Saint Dominic on his knees. The canvas comes from the Church of Saint Dominic in Plebiscito Square in Ancona.